Guys, when you work into a grocery store, a supermarket, or even scroll through an online shop, suddenly one product grabs your attention. The packaging is stunning, the logo is unforgettable, colors, typography, elements all works together perfectly. It makes you stop, it makes you stare. As a designer, you think I want to create something like that, but then the reality steps in. Because nobody teaches the foundation how to set up elements with the purpose. Set up balance, choose the printing materials, or prepare file for final production. Hello guys, my name is Tanvir Nayem. I'm brand and packaging designer with over 6 years of experience in FMCG and lifestyle brand. Over the years, I built in a deep practical knowledge that I want to share with you. On this channel, I will guide you step by step from design basics to dry line, print materials, and create production ready packaging. Plus, I will show you how to create logos and brand identities that are unforgettable and professional. This knowledge you will not find in local institute, training center, or random YouTube videos. It comes from industry experience. So if you want to sharpen your skill, launch your career, and create design that stand out, hit the subscribe and press the bell icon because it's just beginning.